What's up, everybody? At Big Poppa Smokers, we had a catering gig today, cooking for a movie set. So first up, we're going to have tri-tip with BPS competition brisket and steak rub. Doing this tri-tip up real nice, like Big Poppa says. Don't be afraid to use it. Get everything nice and coated and covered. Make sure you rub in everything at the bottom of the pan. And then guess what? Get your chimney started. Get that charcoal going nice and hot. Let the pit come up to temp. And then here we go. Look at that beautiful crust coming down on those tri-tips. Lay them down nice and easy right on the center of the flame. Since we let our pit come up to temp, these won't take way too long, about 20-30 minutes. Check the internal temp and flip if you have to. We pulled at about 140, and they're going to be perfectly medium so everyone's happy. And then just look at that beauty shot. Barky, crispy, drippy, perfect. So next, we're going to do some wings, and these are going to be Cajun blackened style with BPS Sweet Money Hot. And look at that. You're going to really need to season these up. Like we said, do not be afraid to use it. It'll cook off a lot. It'll blacken perfectly. And look, you want that wing nice and coated, every one of them you got. And this is about 3 packs of wings right here. Then you want to dump them on, and you just want to be able to give them enough space so that they each have their own room to cook. And we're also going to leave a little spot in the middle to cook our pork belly too. So check this out. We didn't even need to flip these wings. The BPS drum smoker makes this perfect smoke and heat vortex to get everything done. And look at those beautiful wings. Everybody's going to get their own sauce and be happy. Next, we're seasoning up some pork belly with BPS Money, the classic. And you know what? Like we said before, don't be afraid to coat everything up real nice. That bottle will go a lot farther than you think it does. Then you're going to let that dry marinate in the rub. But look, it's almost like we're making a ham, bacon, pork belly kind of thing. And you're just going to dump that in, give everything its own space to cook. And guess what? Since we got it nice and hot, it's not even going to take that long. And we're multitasking with the wings here. Just set it up, let it go.